Good morning. We are on our way to John O'Groats.
And it is a good morning.
It is a good morning. It's beautiful, sunny. Yeah, we're heading up to John O'Groats and Dunwich Head today.
Right, we just arrived and finished back at the van from the Duncansby, probably got the pronunciation wrong, Stacks. Genuinely, probably one of the most naturally scenic and rugged places we've been to yet. Stunning, really, really stunning. So, well worth the trip. Loads of birds at this time of year. As we arrived, I got myself a skua, so that's a new one for the list, and a fellow who had overnighted here, so I guess you can overnight here.
Yeah, we just know.
Copyright. He had, in the morning, seen 4 orcas heading through the bay, so that's pretty sick, if that is something on your mind. So now we've got this awesome road down into John O'Groats, where we are then heading here to probably, well, we'll see the sign, 8 Doors Distillery, get a coffee, warm up a bit. Yeah, it'd be nice. There they are, over the top there, the Stacks. Look at that.
We've just parked up for the night, just about 15 minutes outside of Thurso. We stopped for a lovely meal at a pub. Can't remember the name of it now. I think it's called You Know What. Lovely dinner. And yeah, just found a little spot that I was just scouting on Google Maps. Couldn't find it on Park for Night. Because there wasn't loads, and I didn't want to stay in the centre of anywhere, just because I didn't want to disturb many people. So we found this lovely little spot just by the woodlands, and there's a wind farm just behind it. So yeah, nice place to spend the night, and then hopefully we'll set off nice and early, because we're planning to do Ben Hope tomorrow which I think is going to be about a 4 or 5 hour hike. Morning, we are on our way to Strathy Point, like that?
Well said.
Yeah. And then we are in our hiking attire
Warm up.
for our warm-up hike for Ben Nevis. We are doing Ben Hope today. Apparently it's quite steep.
Good, that's an excellent warm up then. Come on now.
Gonna be great fun for those eyes. Tom is just looking for
It's just our buzzard friend
white
again.
eagles, probably?
No,
White-tailed
it's just
eagles? It's just our buzzard friend, okay. We have some lovely cows. Highland cows. We have arrived at Ben Hope, and that is how we start. Just straight up, no warm up, just up you go. So pray for us. Okay, we are all suited and booted and ready to go. Okay, off you go, Tommy. Yay! We're home! Oh god. I am knackered.
Hi.
So we made it back to the van. We are now trying to head to Sango Sands, which is a campsite. It is about an hour away, so it might be a little bit bad planning from us. Because we really need to do some laundry and fill up the water.
I'll just be a late.
So if we get there, we get there. If we don't, then maybe we'll try and do it tomorrow.
Pick another campsite.
Or pick another campsite, yeah. But see how we go. We have arrived at Sango Sands, picked up some fish and chips, parked up, got a beautiful view with our parker. Now we get to enjoy
The freshest fish and chips.
the freshest fish and chips, a nice sit down, a beer, and we're going to watch a film tonight. What are we watching?
We had a slow start in the morning.
How to Train Your Dragon?
I'd like to try it.
Yeah. Whiskey.
Slanjava.
And now we are in bed. We've put How to Train Your Dragon on because it's an epic film.
And the soundtrack's unbelievable driving through this countryside.
It really is. And we're now just going to chill out, have a really chilled out morning, go to Smoo Caves.
Go to the Chocolatier Cafe, get a brekkie.
And then head on down. So, see you in the morning. Night. Good morning. We have started kind of early this morning. We're out by about 9 o'clock. And we are now just walking our way down to Smoo Caves. Which I don't know how my knees feel about it, because we've got all these steps down, but we'll go with it. Ooh. Yeah, I'm just going to have a little explore, and then we're going to head on down. It's kind of like a waterfalls and caves day, and a castle at the end. I think it's Ardbeck Castle we're hoping to end up at. We're having quite a hard time just getting to the waterfalls because this road has got the most stunning views. This is what a little viewpoint is right now. I mean, look at it. That was a really pretty drive. Tom's a bit angry at me.
I'm going to take my jumper. I'm going to take my binos. I'm going to take the camp chair.
Okay.
I'll see you when you have changed your mind. Binos again. Bloody hell. Come on. When you've had a mindset change, you come find me. Until then, be grumpy.
So, on the drive down, we've obviously seen lots of places for sale, and he found one that he really liked, and so he looked at it, and it's around the same sort of price that we've been looking at places to buy down in Kent. And so he was trying to justify buying a place up on the North Coast 500, and I just had to bring him back down to earth a little bit. So yeah, he's not best pleased with me and hoping that I will change my tune, but it is beautiful here. This is what I could easily live my life doing. Just with that view.
Welcome to tonight's chef's kitchen. We have tomato mascarpone pasta bake sauce with some fusilli, 5-minute fusilli. We have the sunsets. We have dreams. Dreams are alive. Never stop dreaming, kids. No matter what they tell you. Mums, dads, fiancés. They tell you to stop dreaming, just ignore them. Keep the dream alive, baby. Keep the dream alive. No, there's no such thing as stirring it in. Oh, clouds come over our sunshine.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's a shame. I know, why don't you just let it...
Hey?
Why don't you just let it melt on top?
Why not just let it flip? You're right. Flip it. Flip it. Real good. Now it's melting in there. Lovely. Effective.